Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create unlimited Google account without phone number. So firstly, long click on your Play Store application, then app info. So afterwards, click on the storage and cache, then clear the cache and also the storage. So once you are done with those two, you open the app. So once the app is open, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner if you have an existing account on Play Store. Once you click on it, it's going to show you the list of your accounts. Okay. Then you click on add another account. Okay, so you have to just input your password along the line. Okay, let me put my password here. After inputting your password, it's going to show up the login page. Then click on create an account. Okay, so you just have to input the name you want to use for the account. So let's say I want to use the name. Let me use my name. Okay, so it's asking for date of birth, so just put a random date of birth there. Then you input the gender you want to use for the account, then next. So you just pick a Gmail address there, but make sure that you write down this Gmail address somewhere, because anytime you want to log into the account, that is what you're going to use to get back into the account. So I'll just select one here, and if you feel you want to create your own Gmail address, you click on create your own and use what you want to use there. Then I'll just choose one here and continue. So it will ask for a strong password, so make sure you create a strong password that consists of capital letter, special number and your number. So let me just create a password randomly. Okay, so I've input my password here now. So it's telling me to add phone number, so you just scroll up, then you see the skip option there, so you just click on the skip option, and you've been able to create your Google account. So this is just how you can easily create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching guys.